Hey y'all, we are back again with another holiday set from Subtl. So this is the Ready Set Glam holiday set. They came out with a new brush set, which I'm super excited for. And then you have a new stack here, which is suitable for all skin tones. Everybody can use this. So you have a champagne highlight in here. You have a new eyeshadow duo, which I'm super excited about. And then you have the lip and cheek tint. So just starting out with my highlight, I love the shade Champagne. I feel like it complements so many skin tones. I'm just gonna apply that on the high points of my cheeks. You can't really go wrong with this highlight, especially for holiday time. You want a little extra shimmer, a little extra razzle dazzle. She's gonna do it for you, but in a very subtle way. No pun intended. So now moving on to our eyeshadow. This is a Smoke and Mirrors eyeshadow duo, which is a new duo for them, and it's also limited edition. So if you like it, you definitely need to get your hands on it now before it's gone. And this is just gonna be your classic smoky eye, but I'm gonna do it in a more subdued, more natural way, if I must say. I feel like when you think of a smoky eye, you think of something that's like super dramatic, super dark. It doesn't have to be that. It can be very toned down if you want it to be. So I'm just starting with the dark shade in my outer corner and in my crease, and I'm just using the dual ended eyeshadow brush, and I am just gonna make sure I blend that out really well. Because it's a darker color, I like to pick up a little bit at first and build up as I go. And so now I'm going to be using the shimmer shade in here, which is a very pretty silver color. For shimmers, I like to use my finger to get the maximum like shimmery effect out of them. I feel like your fingers, you can never really go wrong with applying eyeshadow. I really like the way this shade looks because it is silver, but I feel like it does have more of like a neutral undertone to it. It's not super cool, so I feel like it will work for any skin tone. And then lastly, we have our Riveting Red lip and cheek tint. I love to apply these lip and cheek tints with a brush because you get more of color payoff that way, and I feel like it looks more of like a lipstick versus like a balm. So I'm just rubbing that on with the flat brush that is in the set, and I'm just blotting it on. Another tip so that this can last all night is dusting your lips with a little bit of setting powder. That will keep your lips in place all night. You can eat, do whatever, your lips will be there. So this is the final look. Like I said, you guys, this is a limited edition holiday set, so get your hands on it while you can.